Good morning. How are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another beautiful vlog, another beautiful episode. Yeah, so you're welcome to my channel. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Precious, a Mon YouTuber that based in Asaba, Delta State of Nigeria. So you're highly welcome to my channel, okay? So please, guys, please subscribe to the channel, okay? So you'll be seeing more of our videos, okay? So today I want to do small exercise. I'm downstairs. That is why I'm starting the vlog here. I have my skipping rope. We did not go for road walk today. I don't know why. My coach did not call me, and I myself woke up very late. I woke up around 7:20 something instead of 6 something. So I didn't let her call her again because I woke up late and I will still be going for school runs. Yeah. So I just decided to skip because anytime that I did not go for road walk, I usually skip downstairs. But I've not carried guys along for one day. So
our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Okay. So let's keep together, guys.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Guys, the baby girl is done skipping. Yeah, and at this point baby girl is tired, so exhausted. See this sweat, you see this sweat is very real. Yeah, so I did not spend much time skipping. I did not waste much time on like before, unlike other days that I do skip like one and one. Today when I just skip for about 30 minutes because I woke up late, like I told you guys, and I need to get the kids ready for summer lesson. Yeah, because they will be going to school today for summer lesson, so I need to go and get them ready and dressed. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this exercise clip. Yeah, and I'll talk to you guys later. Let me go and get the kids ready for school, okay? So please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Let's go up, guys, and go and get the kids ready for school. So guys, I just dropped the kids off. Yeah, so I just dropped them off at the school, and I even forgot to vlog when they were still in my car. But anyways, our summer lesson will be ending today. Today is Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday, and today's date is God, I don't know today's date, but don't worry, I will attach it to while editing this vlog. Yeah, and someone is calling me. So, and they will be ending the summer lesson today. So yeah, to get ready for school resumption, because they will be resuming I think 8 or 9. So yeah, so right now I want to go and buy something. I want to go and buy St. Leaf. I want to prepare Ofako today, so I want to buy St. Leaf here before I'll head home. Yeah, so let me ask the woman if they have St. Leaf. I don't want to pack anyways. When I get St. Leaf, okay, so they don't have. Let me try another place. I don't want to pack, that is just it. Thank God no motor is behind me. Good morning, sir. No more St. Leaf. Oh yeah, give me 300 on. 300, oh no, 300 naira. Good morning, sir. So I bought the St. Leaf. Yeah, this is 300 naira St. Leaf. This St. Leaf is 300 naira. The one they gave me at the market is very small for 200. I decided not to buy it because I don't know, like street market is more preferable to markets, because honestly I don't understand. See the size of cycling now, you cannot get it in the market for this 300. You don't like better thing. I'm back.
Your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you, yeah. Know you fell in love, but nobody caught you. And I got your body, oh, my baby, see, got me hot down, oh. Your body, oh, now you ain't go chop on my money, oh. I like your body, oh, my baby, see, got me hot, oh. Your body, oh, now you ain't go chop on my money, oh. Baby, I go stick with you like bamboo. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Pepperes, you my toy tomato. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Cause your mama born your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. See, I wanna hold you, girl, I love you. Girl, I wanna love you well. I know you fell in love.
Say hi. So guys, I just picked the kids up from school now. Yeah.
The keys up.
When I say hi, Mona, today is the last day of your summer lesson. So you will not be coming to school till 9th of next month. That is I think a week plus from now. I think upper Monday. It's not this coming Monday.
I
Upper
want to wait in my house.
Yes, we'll be learning at home for this 1 week, okay? So are you happy that your summer lesson have ended?
Yes.
I know you must be happy because you yourself, you don't like stress in this your life.
The next day.
So guys, your baby girl is about to head out. We want to go to ShopRite. Yeah, I want to go and first of all, it's not ShopRite, Sha. First of all, I want to go and I want to go and collect my cover note for my license, since it's over 6 months now that I registered for license, but I've not even gone for cash for it. So I don't know why they are delaying it, Sha. But anyways, I still want to go and collect the cover note at least, so that I will be using that one to pass in police and road safety, since the main one is not yet out. Yeah, so right now we're heading there, and we also branch at ShopRite. I want to go and check if I can get the kids and cream there. Then also let the kids play a little, because since this already done, honestly they have not had fun. So it's from one learning to another. So at least let them just enjoy themselves more, because this life now once, you understand. So yeah, so right now we're about to head out, and I will talk how you guys along. Let's go from collecting my copy notes to ShopRite to buying cream and all that I'm playing. So let's go and have fun together, guys. And please, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, okay?
All your problems, I know, say solution ahead. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yeah. Mama born you. Your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl, I love you.
Collect my cover notes. When I choose to don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. So guys, I've collected it here. So let's head to next location.
I like your body, oh, my baby, see, got me hot, oh. Your body, oh, now you ain't go chop on my money, oh.
I said he's happy.
You say you're so happy. Why are you so happy? Because you want to ride bike.
Yes.
See this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, give me that my brush. Since you're so happy, give me my brush.
Okay.
So guys, we're here in ShopRite. I've gotten I've gotten my permit. Let me show you guys.
Mommy, wait. Okay.
So I've gotten, this one is different from the one they gave me, but they said this one now will last for 6 months. Certificate. This is a license certificate. Maybe it's because I have gone for the exam. I think so. So yeah. So let's still be waiting for the main license to be out. So yeah. So let me do small touching before we enter inside ShopRite. So let the kids go and play small. Then I will just do a few things that I want to do. Then we'll head on. Yeah, that's just it. That's just the oh, people get money for this answer, but forget it. Forget it. Some people get money.
Finish playing.
Yeah, let's go. No. Oh, yeah, leave that place. Oh, yeah, be going straight. Just focus. Maintain steps, okay? Be going straight. No, madam, small. Mona, do you want to ride? I will. Before you go, tell me no. So you can ride your sister, but wait first. Let her say. What is that? So guys, before you ride this, you pay 2,500. Hey, God, that beg. But just for fun, sir. No, you really want to control it. Hold it. You sit them. So you can even. But it's not moving fast. Why? It's your weight now. It's not moving fast. It's your weight. It's my weight.
Now you move fast. It's moving fast.
It's not moving fast.
It's because of your weight. I call you side.
Okay, wait. Like you don't wait. They are pressed. I wish I
You like bamboo. Are you getting me? Are you getting me?
Because it's all car. You want car?
Are you big police car for me?
I'll buy police car for you. Let's go. I will not buy. Let's go. I'll buy, but not now. Let's go. And then I stop running. Don't worry, you soon fall. When I watch, you soon fall. When I say watch. Let's that one is expensive. Boy, later I go to market, I'll buy police car for you. Stop crying, oh. Daddy boy, stop crying. I'll buy for you, oh. You hear? Okay. Oh yeah, it's okay. Stop crying. Fine girl. Sorry, let's go home. We have gotten the cream that we went to buy, and I even bought my face syrup. That is my face vitamin C syrup. Yeah. So let me show you guys the cream that we bought. And Mona is crying. He wants a toy. Me, I don't want to buy, because if I tell you how many toys I've been buying, which thank God I have been showing for on this my channel, but I will buy. No, let me know say I will not buy because for peace today. Yes.
Buy a police car.
Yeah, okay, I will buy. Don't worry, any day that I go to market, I will buy. Okay. But you see, in ShopRite, I will not buy in ShopRite. Their own is expensive. So you know. But when I go to market, I will buy for you. Oh. So when I go to market, I will buy for you, because ShopRite own is expensive. So I will not don't want to buy in the ShopRite. Any day that I go to the market, I will buy for him. So Bomona is crying. This boy will not understand that there's no money in this country. He's not going to understand that things are very difficult. But anyways, yeah. So now we want to start heading home. Let me show you guys the cream that we bought. Mona and Deliana cream. This is the one they're currently using. I bought two, so it will last for us. Okay, so yeah, and my face syrup. Yeah, so these are just things that we bought at the ShopRite. So let's head home.
Are you getting me? Are you getting me? 'Cause your mama for you, your My mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. Say I wanna hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you well. I know you fell in love, but nobody caught you.
So guys, we are back. We are back home. Yeah. Mama, say hi. Okay. So I just want to go and give the kids food. I did not go out with cap. But I came back with cap. I saw this one inside my car, so I decided to wear it. Yeah. So. So I'll talk to you guys later. Baby girl just crying. See how much. I don't know. She went and hit her head somewhere, so she's crying. I need to attend to them, give them food, and make them to sleep because this is already after 1. So yeah. So I'll be ending this particular vlog here to enable me start another one. And if you have watched this point, I am really grateful. Thank you so much. And may the good God bless you. Okay. So we'll be calling this one a total wrap. Yeah. So we can be able to start off another one. So we'll be seeing you in our next video. Bye. Mama, tell them bye.